This video provides a brief introduction to strategic planning at Grays Harbor College. Topics will include a definition of strategic planning, a brief review of some of the lessons learned from previous strategic plans, a look at where Grays Harbor College is right now, and information on how you can get involved with strategic planning in the future. So, just what is a strategic plan, and how is it useful to a college? A strategic plan helps the college to set priorities from among all the possible options available. The plan focuses on long-range initiatives that move the organization towards its vision. It is dynamic enough to allow for emerging opportunities, and at the same time focused enough to ensure that the college remains committed to mission fulfillment. As we move forward, the Strategic Planning Committee is dedicated to developing a strategic plan for Grays Harbor College that is clearly articulated, informed by relevant data and information, implemented by the campus community, and characterized by results that impact student success and institutional effectiveness. Let's go through each of these one at a time. First, at the core of a strategic plan is a clear blueprint that provides guidance for the work of the college. An articulated plan impacts the decisions that are made and the work that gets done. The plan incorporates the college's mission, vision, and values. It also includes core themes and indicators, as well as plans for institutional effectiveness. Next, the construction and monitoring of the strategic plan is informed by relevant data and information. It is this information that allows for forward-looking strategic decisions. Use of data also helps the college to recognize and build on its successes and learn from its challenges. Information from stakeholders, including students, faculty, and staff, is essential to building a plan that meets the needs of the students and the college. Everyone at Grays Harbor College will have the opportunity to participate in developing the strategic plan. A review of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, as well as results from prior plan indicators, also help to inform the plan. Engagement across the college in the strategic plan is necessary to meeting the plan's objectives. In order for this to happen, the plan must be written clearly so that everyone in the organization is aware of and can relate to the plan. Finally, a strategic plan promotes continuous improvement around student success and institutional effectiveness. It allows the college to implement best practices and other strategies that can promote student retention and degree completion. The information learned as the plan is implemented helps the college community to modify strategies in future plans. Why is strategic planning necessary? First, a strategic plan allows Grays Harbor College to define and focus its efforts around mission fulfillment. A strategic plan serves as a roadmap for our work at all levels of the organization. Second, the plan allows the college to direct its limited resources effectively. Decisions about where to employ staff time and budget resources are influenced by the strategic plan. And finally, because the elements of the strategic plan are measurable and continuously assessed, the plan and its results can be used to ensure students are being served in the most effective and efficient ways possible. Over the past decade, Grays Harbor College has implemented more than one strategic plan. In 2005 to 2006, there was a strategic planning initiative led by an outside consultant. In 2012 to 2013, the college embarked on the optimization plan. As the college moves forward with the next strategic plan, it is important that the plan is integrated, realistic, and focused. A newly reformed Strategic Planning Committee began work this fall. Their job includes monitoring college efforts around mission fulfillment using the existing priorities and creating an inclusive planning process that will result in a new strategic plan after the accreditation cycle in 2019. To keep the college's current priorities moving ahead over the next couple of years, the Strategic Planning Committee has set out to do several things. First, the committee will make the core themes the focus of strategic planning by working closely with the core theme leads. Second, they will integrate the core themes and indicators with other essential institutional support plans, including the Enrollment Management Plan, the Technology Plan, the Facilities Master Plan, and the Safety and Security Plan. And finally, the committee is committed to identifying ways to integrate strategic planning with resource allocation. All of these items will be reported on as part of mission fulfillment in the college's next accreditation self-study in 2019. Once the 7-year accreditation cycle is complete in the spring of 2019, it will be time for a new strategic plan. Even as the college is working towards integrating our current efforts, the Strategic Planning Committee is putting together a process that will lead to a new strategic plan for 2019 and beyond. The ultimate outcome for the next strategic planning cycle is a strategic plan that aligns the organization and its various parts in a focused set of directions that support mission fulfillment, includes broad-based agreement on a plan, defines success for the organization, and enables Grace Harbor College to communicate clearly and with precision about its priorities and results. The start of this process will be a review of the college's mission, vision, and values. This is an opportunity to see what is on the horizon for Grace Harbor College, to consider what the institution will look like in 5 to 10 years, and to ask what changes we need to make to address the future. Once the mission, vision, and values are solidified, a strategic plan will be formed. The Strategic Planning Committee expects for this to be an open and participatory process where employees and students alike play a central role in developing the priorities. The plan will be characterized by clear and measurable outcomes, identified resource needs, and a roadmap for integrating strategies and activities into the work of all departments and divisions. There will be multiple opportunities for all GHC constituents to provide input into the plan. Providing opportunities such as open forums and surveys will be a central part of the committee's work next year. Once the plan is developed, the challenging work of implementation will begin. Implementation of a strategic plan requires the commitment of the college's leadership to following the plan, allocation of resources to support the strategies and activities of the plan, active engagement of individuals, departments, and divisions to carry out the work of the plan, and ongoing communication that includes celebrating successes and identifying areas for improvement. The new strategic plan will allow the college to document evidence of student success and institutional effectiveness. This evidence allows us to connect the dots between the college's deliberate efforts and organizational improvement and tell our story of mission fulfillment. For additional information about strategic planning, or to find a list of strategic planning committee members, visit the strategic planning page of the Grace Harbor College intranet site.